Okay, you guys are going to show me that you understand what the concept byte was asking you from lesson 3.2. To do this, you're going to open up your GeoGebra files. Now, I had to open mine up a little bit differently, but that's okay. So you need to have those ready. Also, you're going to go in and you're going to say you want to create a new Google slide. On the Google slide, you can pick any kind of format that you want. So we'll go here just to be different. Okay, and you will title it that it is the concept byte. And you'll say it's 3.2, so that way in case we do another one. And then subtitle and put your name. So I'm going to put Sarah Edwards. Okay, and you're going to title this Concept Byte 3-2. Okay, let's see, now we need to have another slide. Now on your GeoGebra with your Chromebook, you're going to do Control Shift, and it's the button above the 6, which that screens, and that will allow you to take a snapshot. Now when you do this, it'll say that you want to attach it to the clipboard, and you'll click yes. There we go. Okay, so I've taken a picture. I'm going to minimize this. Now when you add it to the clipboard on yours, we're going to say that this is number 3, the picture for number 3. And we can delete this, and we can paste it in. Oh wait, mine didn't. Well, you can paste it if you have that. I'm going to have to go through image. And so if you've already screenshotted these and doing it later, you're going to go to upload image. And mine's a recent screenshot. And then you can move it however you need to and resize. Okay, so there's, oops, he's falling off. There we go. Okay, so there's what I want for number 3. I'm going to insert my slide, new slide. And this is going to be for number 6. I'm going to go over to my GeoGebra file. I'm going to say, okay. Now, notice before, this is where I was moving things. I wanted for number 6, I wanted the alternate interior angles to be as close as possible. So I'm going to screenshot this. Now, I don't need to see all of it. I just need to see your angle measures and that kind of stuff. Okay, so then again, I'm going to go to Insert, Image, choose an image, insert my screenshot. Oops, I want to take that off, so I'm going to delete that. And you can make this as big or small as you want. Make sure I can see it. Don't make it so small I can't see it. But there you go. Okay, and you'll do this for question 7 as well. Okay, so now we're going to go back to your drive, and you're going to say New, and go down to More, and you're going to go to an app called MoveNote. Now, if you don't have MoveNote, you'll need to go all the way down and add more apps, but MoveNote should be one that's already in there for you. Okay, in MoveNote, it's going to ask permission to use your web camera. You're going to click yes, because I do want to see you and hear you. Now notice here, you want to make sure when you're recording that later on we're looking at the webcam, not looking at yourself, because then you're looking at my belly button. Okay, so we're going to add slides. And you're going to say from Google Drive. And you can search this, Concept Bytes. Here's mine. And it's going to load that in there. Okay, now notice here, this is how we're going to move our slides. If you needed to reorder them, you could. So then I'm ready to record. I have my slides over here. I'm going to select record. And it's going to count down so that way I can see I need to record. So now I'm going to look at my webcam and I'm going to say on Concept Bytes number 3, I have parallel lines, and I notice that the corresponding angles here and here, and I'm not sure that it's going to record that, so you're just going to have to say something like the corresponding angles are congruent, so that means the lines are parallel, then the corresponding angles are congruent. And you'll talk about this slide and tell me what you learned from the lines being parallel and the angles. So then we're going to go to slide 3, and you can say, okay, I noticed that I started off with non-parallel lines, and when I moved the lines so that I could get the alternate interior angles congruent, I noticed, and you're going to tell me what you noticed about that. And then you're going to do the same thing for number 7. When you're done, you're going to go over here to pause, and it's going to say save and preview. So now I'm going to save and preview if you think it's good. Now if it's something that you're like, that did not go well, then you can go, I want to start over, and it'll start the whole thing over. So save and preview. Waiting. Okay, and you can play it through one time if you want to see yourself. If not, that's fine. So here's your web link that you're going to share with me. So you're going to hit copy, and then you're probably going to need to, because you're going to end up sharing a doc, say, okay, I want to make a new document. So that way you have it, and then you'll just paste your maybe. Paste. Okay, so that way you can send this document to me in Schoology. So that way when you go over to Schoology, sorry. Oh, good grief. You'll come over to Schoology, and you'll see Concept Byte. And then you're going to submit your document. And you're done.